So welcome to Programming Academy. Please welcome. Today, guys, we are going to learn NumPy. What's meaning NumPy? NumPy is a numerical Python library they're using scientific computing. It provides uh, support for large multidimensional arrays and matrix along with the large collection of mathematical. So we're using NumPy for data science and with the for data science and also in machine learning, we learning for SQL learning, and we're using for data frame for pandas. So we're using for data science, and but this NumPy give you like a multi numerical or multi-functional mathematical for fundamental package for data science. We are going to use extensively for business, for financials and engineers, and for data science. We use for NumPy because the NumPy is provided very powerful dimensional arrays of data. So we can use to representing vectors and matrices and higher dimensional arrays. So this is the meaning of NumPy. So NumPy is a very huge, giving variety of mathematic functions with the linear algebra and operation, so on, and also give it random numbers to generate many numbers for big data. For when we see big data, so we're using to complex for numerical or random function to design to our work with the NumPy. So this is the meaning of NumPy. It's very important to learning NumPy for the NumPy for forecasting, for operations, and the very important to management with the big data. So also stable, also multiplicative. Also we have a pandas, as I told you, and this is very important to learning with the multiplicative for visualization, how to analyze. We use them also for data analyze we using, and also we are going to learning that in the future. And yeah, just I think this is a very good to start to learning NumPy. And for data frame, Panda I think is not a very huge, so it is a very short code or short of work. But the most of the for the data science and for data for machine learning and data analyze, we're using NumPy. So NumPy is very huge. It will generating many kind of serious numbers when they're using in the industry. So they're using the NumPy to generating many serious number. And because of that, they're using NumPy for data science. And so yeah, let's go to sharing. Yeah, so this is the how it's working. We using Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is very easy to code, and it's very easy to understanding, and it's so simple. And yeah, because of that, if you want to create a file here, just you come to file here and then to create your file names, and then using Python 3, and then we have a files and edit and view and insert. And then we have a tail, then we have a kernel and make it. So this is the and how Jupyter Notebook. And also, if you want it, I wanted to answer this question. I will make you another video in returning this code, and to because that we using, and also so we using in NumPy, guys. We have it. We use us now. So as not the NumPy, okay, guys. We using in data science in the future, and so this is a way we how to using arrays in NumPy. So let's go to find in the guys version. So we're using how we can use it. We're using the print, and then we're using nap NumPy. So and then we use then we're using Python. Okay, again we use. So let's go to run. We use here. We use dot. Why it's not giving me vision? Yes. So guys, because you when you to find the vision you use import NumPy as not in term line, okay? So it will be print, but in because I use in Jupyter notebook, it will not, now you learn something new. So this way, guys, so we have 1.1.5 is our version. So I hope you understand, and then we are going to learning NumPy full course, full stuff. So I will see you there learning one by one, slowly, but slowly, step by step. We are going to learning by for data science. Then you are going to be master in data science. I hope so. See you there. Bye for now.